This is Tiffany. She and her girlfriend Melissa decided to schedule their photo shoot for the same afternoon. And while Melissa was in hair and makeup, Tiffany was expressing her nervousness about the shoot and how she wanted to look her best. And I suggested that while Melissa was in hair and makeup, that Tiffany go upstairs to my bedroom where I shoot a lot and let me take a few photographs of her before she had hair and makeup, just to help give her a little confidence in knowing that the photos were going to turn out great. So she said, okay, and we went upstairs, and this is one of the photographs. The light for this image is the window directly behind me. You can see in the catch lights of her eye, you can almost see my outline as well as the catch light of the window behind me. Behind her, there's a mirror on a dresser, which is giving a little bit of a catch light on her right shoulder. As I've said before, my favorite type of light to use in a photo shoot is whatever light is available. And in this case, window light as well as a little catch light from the mirror on the dresser behind her. I photographed this at an ISO of 640 with my 85mm lens, 1.2 lens. It's my favorite lens. I say my 85, I use it 85% of the time. The aperture was a 2.5, the shutter speed was 1/25 of a second, and then I did the black and white conversion in Photoshop. I really love shooting with this lens and how much control you can have with the depth of field in photographing just such images.